Hello friends. Welcome back. This is the third and final part of our three-part series about strategic use of information technology in pharmaceutical domain, using artificial intelligence and machine learning. We are going to continue immediately from the end of part 2. So let's get started. In this, we will explore more about AI and machine learning. Then we'll see how you can create value from AI for the intelligent supply chain. And finally, applications of AI-powered technologies. With the proliferation of data, and virtually unlimited quantities of computing power available, via the cloud, AI and machine learning, are poised to have a profound impact on businesses. Statistics shows that 78% of organizations are considering, or have already deployed machine learning technologies, as part of a digital business strategy. 63% of companies have invested in machine learning, to close competitive gaps with rivals. 54% of businesses deploying AI have experienced productivity increases. The ability to analyze massive amounts of data, to derive meaningful insights, can help businesses make faster, more informed decisions. For example, in sales and marketing, machine learning and AI can help analyze activities and behavioral data to create personalized experiences for customers. In finance, the technologies are empowering more accurate forecasting models and fraud detection analysis. Operations and logistics are tapping AI and ML to optimize order fulfillment and improve shipping routes for last-mile delivery. It's clear that AI and ML are positioned to give companies a competitive edge. Now let us explore how you can create value from AI for the intelligent supply chain. The pharma supply chain involves a complex set of steps that are required to produce a drug, from sourcing and supply of materials, through manufacturing and distribution, to delivery to the consumer. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the importance of pharma supply chains in meeting the demand for leading-edge products. Supply chains must also meet the expectations of a complex range of stakeholders, comprising multiple players, healthcare providers, and patients with complex and varied needs, both within and across different countries. Consequently, intelligent and insightful monitoring and management of the supply chain is critical and vital. In the past few years, manufacturing companies across all industries have initiated digital transformation of supply chain. The opportunity was created by the availability of large amounts of reliable and relatively untapped data, at the same time as technological breakthroughs, such as advanced analytics and AI, blockchain, digital twins, and the Internet of Things. End-to-end visibility is the holy grail of supply chain management. Supply chain visibility means having access to data relating to every transaction and demand trigger across every step and tier of the supply chain, and all the logistics movements in between. End-to-end visibility across the interconnected supply chain will allow data to be safely extracted in real time, using AI tools to generate actionable insights, consequently improving decision-making. The concept of end-to-end visibility can be realized through supply chain control towers, which provide a holistic view across all supply chain functions. For example, in October 2019, IBM launched Sterling Supply Chain Insights, an AI-enabled control tower that allows for comprehensive, real-time visibility of the supply chain by providing rapid integration and interpretation of structured and unstructured data at scale. For control towers to be successful in supply chain management, companies need to incorporate AI capabilities, such as ML, to help orchestrate operations and ultimately have a near-autonomous and self-learning supply chain. Demand forecasting plays a critical role in logistics and supply chain management. Accurately adjusted inventory levels are needed if the value of the supply chain is to be unlocked. Forecasting uses a combination of decision variables, including historical shipment and sales data, market intelligence, and other external data inputs, such as weather, that can affect inventory levels. The use of AI tools is particularly important in demand forecasting. Predictive analytics techniques can mine, analyze, and interpret data aggregated from various sources to detect patterns and certain anomalies, and generate more accurate demand forecasts compared to traditional methods. Industry 4.0 aims to encourage the digitalization and automation of manufacturing processes. This is increasingly being adopted in the pharma sector to help overcome the multiple obstacles, such as strict regulatory and production demands. In addition, embracing Industry 4.0 will enable companies to move towards quality by design, a data and risk-based approach for the development and manufacturing of drugs, that the US FDA and EMA are actively encouraging. So, AI and ML will play a crucial role in this. When it comes to predictive maintenance, traditionally, manufacturing facilities have operated in preventive maintenance modes. An estimate suggests that between 60 to 73% of all manufacturing data is not utilized or analyzed. By using advanced technological tools, such as AI, these data can be transformed into vital insights about operations and equipment performance by identifying patterns and complex relationships between variables, as well as forecasting failures, faults, or other issues before they happen. This technology can supply information not only to pinpoint and address the problem causing current downtime, but also to avoid future stoppages. This is known as predictive maintenance. Protecting the integrity of the supply chain is very important. The production of counterfeit or substandard drugs has been a long-standing and widespread supply chain problem for the pharma industry. To tackle this, pharma companies are investing in a combination of advanced technologies like blockchain and AI to ensure the integrity of the end-to-end supply chain. AI algorithms based on ML can be designed to accurately distinguish between genuine and counterfeit versions of the same drug. To sum it up, measuring successful use of AI and ML through a more holistic and long-term model will keep organizations focused on the best outcomes for the future of the company. Okay, so this is end of our 3-part video series about strategic use of information technology in pharmaceutical domain using artificial intelligence and machine learning. If you want more information, please contact us using the details mentioned here. Thank you.